Although a major prerequisite for other process of self-realization, purity is not a factor in determining our eligibility to perform bhakti. Now, like Gyan Yoga or Ashtanga Yoga, you must have a pure asan, and your body you must have bathed, wear pure, clean cloth, and you must purify all your thoughts so you can meditate on Om. And there's lots of purity required. But in Bhakti Yoga, you can be clean clothes or unclean clothes, or clean body or unclean body, or clean mind or unclean mind. We just begin the process of bhakti by chanting and hearing and chanting Krishna's name in any position, in any state, and automatically it takes effect. And it says, even if a devotee falls down from the standard of purity, he need not undergo any separate process of purification, which is called prayaschitta, such as karma gyan. He simply he takes up devotional service immediately and he becomes reinstated. On the contrary, we become purified by practicing bhakti.